Welcome back to Guna's tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about relationship, degree of relationship, different types of relationship, etc. Relationship. A relationship represents an association among entities. Relationship is represented by diamond-shaped box. Different types of relationship. It is the number of participating entity types. There are n number of relationship types. If the degree of relationship is 2, then it is binary relationship. The degree of relationship is 3, then it is called as ternary relationship, and so on. For example, if the relationship consists of student and college relationship, in student studying college relationship, student and college are two entity types. Example for ternary relationship. For example, an employee is working for a company since 2000. In this, employee, company and since are the three relationships. Cardinality constraint. Cardinality constraint defines the maximum number of relationship instances in which an entity can participate. Different types of cardinalities. One-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many. One-to-one cardinality is mapped with only one instance of another entity. A person having license is an example for one-to-one cardinality. Many cardinality, an entity set A can be associated with any number of entities in B. An entity in set B can be associated with at most one entity in set A. For example, in a project, many number of employees will work. Many-to-many cardinalities. The relationship occurs when multiple records in a table associated with multiple records in another table. For example, many authors can write many books. Next, we will have a discussion on participation constraint. There are two types of participation constraints: total participation, partial participation. Total participation means each entity is involved in the relationship and it is represented by double lines. Partial participation means not all entities are involved in the relationship and it is represented by single line. In the given example, total participation of college indicates that each college must have at least one associated student. Now, we are going to see an example of ER schema diagram, company database. In this diagram, different entities are there like employee, department and project. Several attributes occur in this diagram like simple attribute, composite attribute, multi-valued attribute, etc. It has been already explained. We will have a discussion about new terminologies like null values, recursive relationship and weak entity set. Null value. A particular entity may not have an applicable value for an attribute. For example, in a database, children column will be provided. A person may not have child, cannot fill the data, and that can be leave as empty. Next one is recursive relationships. A relationship between two entities of similar entity type is called as recursive relationship. For example, a manager supervises a subordinate. In this, one employee is the boss of more than employee. The subordinate should report to the supervisor. Weak entity. Weak entity in database management system do not have a primary key and are dependent on the parent entity. It is mainly depends on other entity. It is represented by double rectangle. For example, in a concern, the employer would give PF for the employee. So, the employee should give nominee name. In this, the nominee is the dependent on the parent entity. Once the employee quit the job, the nominee details no longer keep in the concern.